Daily English expression. While you sleep. Day 10. Chapter 26. Asking someone where they are from. Where are you from? What's your hometown? Which city are you from? Where were you born? Where did you grow up? What's your country of origin? What's your nationality? Where do you come from? What's your background? Which part of Korea do you come from? Are you from around here? Is Boston your hometown? Did you grow up in Boston? What's your place of origin? Can you tell me where you were raised? What's the name of the place you were born? Which country are you originally from? Where is your family from? Which part of Boston do you live in? What's the name of the city-town you grew up in? Which nationality do you identify with? Chapter 27. Talking about your own family. I come from a big family. I have 4 siblings. I'm the oldest in my family. My parents are Brian. My mother is a lawyer. I have 3 children. I'm married with 3 kids. My husband is Ryan. My kids are 5, 7 and 8. My family and I are very close. We love spending time together. We have a lot of family traditions. We usually travel on holidays. My parents have been married for 37 years. My siblings and I are all very different. My family is spread out all over the country. I have aunts, uncles, and cousins that I'm very close to. Family is very important to me. I grew up in a single-parent household. My parents got divorced when I was young. I'm close with my grandparents. I have a big extended family. We usually have big family reunions every year. My family is very supportive of me. I have a great relationship with my parents. My siblings and I used to camp when we were kids. My family always makes me feel loved and accepted. We have a family pet named Ben. I'm grateful for my family and everything they've done for me.